Our schools have playgrounds to play on, classrooms to learn in, and buses to ride on, as well as professional teachers and school administrators dedicated to our children. Making sure that each parent knows where their child is each day is the new state-of-the-art GPS and RFID real-time student tracking system from GoLiveTracking.com. When your child boards the bus, you will receive a customized text message alert. When they arrive at school, you will also be notified. The way it works is simple. Embedded in each child's student ID card will be an RFID chip, which will be capable of indicating their presence on the bus, in the school, and to school administrators. Parents are then notified by customizable text messages or emails. With GPS tracking, school bus locations can also be viewed on Google Maps, allowing students and parents to see exactly when their bus will arrive. Also through GPS technology, school administrators will be able to track a specific bus or their entire fleet. Administrators will also be able to determine the number of children on a bus, receive pictures, and monitor progress. Bus operator performance may also be evaluated based upon efficiency and various route metrics. Once attendance data has been captured by the system, school administrators will have a wealth of information at their fingertips. Real-time statistical and graphical data will greatly aid in the efficiency of our schools. The key management features of the STSMS are real-time bus and fleet tracking, driver performance and efficiency, bus and student attendance, parental communications, syllabus and circular management, and activity and discussion forums. As our children prepare to start their day, and as we begin ours, we can now take true comfort in knowing their whereabouts through the real-time student tracking and school management system. Please call or email today to learn more about the student tracking and school management system for your school.